Hi guys, my name is Yudi and welcome to my channel. So now I'm going to show you how to delete repository from your GitHub. So this was a test repository that I was doing for a tutorial, so we are going to delete it. So let's delete it together. So first, before we go into tutorial, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you liked? Why haven't you? Please do. And if you have already, thank you. So I just click on the repository. So I want to delete test Amazon. So you ensure that you click on the repository you want to delete, please. So next you want to go into settings, and on the settings we are going to scroll down. We are looking for danger zone. So in danger zone you see delete this repository. So delete this repository. So remember, once you delete the repository, there is no going back. So you have to be sure you're deleting it. So you click on delete repository. You can see I want to delete this repository. I said yes, and I click on it. So unexpected bad things will happen if you don't read this. So this will permanently delete this repository. Do you understand this effect? I've read and understand this effect. So you click on it, and when you've done that, to confirm, type this in the box. So I have to type the repository so that they just want to be super sure that you know what you're doing. So / I could have just easily copied this, but let me just type it. So this is it, everything same thing, test Amazon. Okay, so I said delete this repository, and it's telling me to confirm my password, and I say confirm. So deleted. You can see the test Amazon is no longer there. Your repository test Amazon was successfully deleted. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.